One way we can interconnect devices on a network is via a ring topology. And honestly, we don't see a ring topology much these days. It's more of a legacy technology. Back in the 90s, token ring was quite popular. I remember when I used to work down at Walt Disney World in Florida, we had quite a bit of token ring on the property. We would have token ring modules inside of Cisco Catalyst switches. When I took my route switch CCIE back in 2001, there was token ring on the lab, but it's not seen much anymore. You might run into it just mainly from an historical perspective. I want you to understand the concept of a ring. By the way, token ring, that's the technology that we often associate with a ring topology. It was also used in FDDI, which was a fiber optic ring, but let's just consider the traditional token ring network. There's a logical topology and there is a physical topology. Let me explain. Let's imagine we want to connect these 5 devices together in a token ring network. Logically, here's how it works. Logically, we have a ring and all the devices are tapping in to this ring. And there is a logical token that is circulating around this ring. Let's imagine that it looks like this. Here's our token, and there is a place to insert data in this token. We can put data right here in this token, and we can say who the token is coming from, who the token is destined for, and we circulate the token around the network. When the next station gets the token, it looks at the destination address and asks the question, is this for me? If it is, this station will reach inside the token, extract the data, and do something with it and process the data. At that point, this data field of the token is now empty, and it can continue to circulate around the ring. If a station like this file server, if it gets a token and it wants to transmit on the network, if there's room, if there's no data in here, what this station can do, it can insert the data into the token, address it for who it should go to, and continue circulating this around the ring. Logically, that's how token ring works. However, we don't physically connect things in a ring topology. It's still connected much more as a star topology. So here's what we would have. We would have a device in a token ring network. It's called an MAU, a MAU, or a media access unit. And devices would connect in to this media access unit. Inside of the media access unit, even though it looks like we have a star topology, everybody's coming back to a central location, inside of the media access unit, there's logically a ring. So the token really is going to this station, circulating around the ring, going to this station, circulating around the ring and going to this station. So if you just look at the physical topology, it looks like a star. We're branching out from a central point, but logically, we're still circulating around the ring. To sum up a ring topology, we see it in token ring, we see it in FDDI, but honestly, we don't see it much in today's modern networks. Historically, though, it's important to understand the concept of a ring topology.